Something to keep in mind while we work on our projects is sometimes we make mistakes. It happens. I'm currently filming a tutorial about how we built Harvey, our animatronic eyeball. And I'm starting from scratch. We're rebuilding him from the beginning. Got to the point where I needed to connect my power up, grabbed my power supply, turned it on, and poof, my pixels died and my servos died. What happened? Basically, I forgot I had lent my power supply out to a friend. They used it and they dialed it up to 18 volts. The last time that I used it, I had dialed to 5 volts. Pixels and servos do not like 18 volts. They want 5 volts. So how can I prevent this in the future? One, I shouldn't have been lazy. I should have metered my power supply before I connected it up. You should always meter your batteries, meter your power supply. If you do that every time you connect something up, you know that you have the correct voltage and you won't toast anything. Quick summation, ways to prevent yourself from toasting your equipment. Just grab a meter and meter it. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for listening.